What makes producing home renovation television unique is that the renovation itself is a production inside production. The homeowner is on-camera talent as well as being a client entrusting you with their home renovation and budget, which for me is typically into the hundreds of thousands of dollars per project. At one point, I had 13 full home renovations while supervising 2 others in a single show season of less than a year. Design and build companies often don't have as many in that kind of time frame. As a story producer, I'm the show's liaison with the homeowner, running all communications and coordination, while also being responsible for the creative storytelling of the episode. What you see on TV is real. Homeowners are hands-off and not part of managing the ongoing renovation. The lead designer, project manager, and I do that, and we choose the best way to use the budget to achieve what the homeowner wants. In rare cases, I'm lucky to have a project manager who's experienced equally in television, design, construction, running spreadsheets, and effectively managing general contractors. Otherwise, I've jumped in to wear many of those hats. I've done everything I can to learn about residential design and construction while producing television over the last 15 years. Renovations are high stress, high stakes, and emotional. So I take my time at the beginning to get to know each of my homeowners, ask and answer all the questions. I make a lot of decisions on their behalf once we get going, while also having to answer the needs and demands of the show. My goal is to max it all out, provide a great experience, and deliver the best results for everyone. It's a lot of work, but it should be fun and beautiful too.